Urban Gardening 2025: How to Grow a Thriving Vegetable Garden on a Balcony. Urban gardening has become more than just a trend. It's now a necessity for many city dwellers. With food prices continuing to rise and environmental consciousness on the rise, growing your own vegetables, even in limited space, has become a powerful lifestyle choice. For those living in apartments or homes with no yard, the balcony garden has evolved into a practical, productive, and beautiful solution. Let's explore the latest methods and strategies in 2025 that help turn a tiny balcony into a lush vegetable oasis. One of the most impactful updates in 2025 is the emergence of modular vertical gardens, which have become more affordable and accessible. These stackable growing systems are built to take advantage of vertical space, allowing you to grow multiple layers of vegetables such as lettuce, spinach, radishes, and herbs in a compact footprint. These systems are often made from recycled or biodegradable materials and include built-in drip irrigation, solar-powered moisture sensors, and lightweight grow lights for balconies with minimal sunlight. The key is to use verticality to maximize production, especially when floor space is limited. These kits can now be easily assembled at home with no tools, and they come in aesthetic designs that blend well with any urban decor. In 2025, companion planting has been reinvented for the urban gardener. Growing certain vegetable and herb combinations together can naturally boost growth and prevent pests. For instance, pairing basil with tomatoes not only enhances flavor, but also repels insects. Marigolds, which deter nematodes and aphids, are now often sold with mini plantos to hang on balcony railings. Digital gardening apps allow users to input their available balcony space and receive AI-driven suggestions for compatible plant groupings. These apps now also sync with climate data to suggest monthly updates on what to grow, based on local weather forecasts, humidity, and sun exposure. This technological integration makes companion planting more scientific and user-friendly than ever before. Container gardening techniques have also improved. Self-watering containers now come with smart controls that notify your phone when water levels are low or when the soil temperature is suboptimal. These containers are available in stackable formats with side cutouts for root crops like carrots or beets to expand outward. The use of aerated fabric pots has increased dramatically due to their superior root health performance. These materials help prevent root rot, promote air pruning, and can be folded away in winter. With nutrient-rich organic potting soil readily available in compostable packaging, even complete beginners can start a container garden with minimal effort. A growing number of apartment residents are now producing full cycles of kale, peppers, and even small eggplants year-round with these smart containers. Finally, balcony gardening in 2025 embraces aesthetics and multifunctionality. Garden furniture is now designed to incorporate planters, such as benches with herb-growing compartments or railing planters that double as privacy screens. The combination of natural growth and modern design makes the garden space not just functional, but also relaxing and visually inspiring. LED grow lights are no longer bulky or unattractive. They come in stylish, artistic forms that match the balcony theme while supporting plant growth during darker months. In addition, solar panels integrated into balcony railings help power lights and irrigation with zero electricity cost. By blending design with sustainability, urban balcony gardens are not just productive spaces, but also personal sanctuaries in the heart of the city.